Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA, Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines down there. They're not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion by having lines all over the place. Now, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watch the videos from the past. But I've talked about this red trend line, and at many times just saying, yeah, it doesn't really pertain now, but just for curiosity's sake, I want to keep the video, or I want to keep that line here. I want to keep that line here. And today, this is exactly why I wanted to keep the line here, because you can see this morning when the price finally did break above it, it did need to go sideways for a couple of candles, but then from there, very, very impressive trend line breakout. And I should also note that right now, Boeing is crazy after hours. It's been as high as 154. And then as of right now, in fact, let me just bring this over. So here's after hours right now on it. You can see that, like I said, at one point, broke up to just 154. Now it's rolled all the way back over down to 144. So about a 10-point swing here in just after hours. So where will this thing open up? I don't know, but I'm aware that this thing is all over the place. But I'm just going to take it at face value right now and talk about levels based on what we've seen here. So this trend line has played its role, so I'll also get rid of that level. But the first key area of support that really stands out to me that I'm curious about now on whether or not the price can hold above it is going to be this area right here at the 144 mark. 144 was a previous area of resistance, and now that the price is above it, can the price hold above there? So that's going to be an area that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, especially longs that like to play pullbacks. I can see them, and rightfully so. It's a valid thought to have. Maybe looking to accumulate on some sort of pullback right there. So that's going to be the initial level to watch from the support side of things. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, so we're going to have lots of shorts and then breakout players watching this area. But that would be this gap close location right here at 149, which the price essentially is where it got rejected from throughout the latter part of the day. But if that 149 mark can be rejected, then the next key area of resistance, if that 149 mark can be broken, next key level to watch would be right up there around 155.50. So all in all, crazy movement today, and then as I showed you, very crazy movement after hours right now. So I'd imagine it's probably going to be crazy movement pre-market too. But yeah, let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.